Emotionally, for the first time, I just felt so happy. Like, to stand up here and smile is insane because it's not a fake smile. You have an amazing team. And just to her team, you guys are all so amazing. And I haven't felt like love from like this many people that I don't know ever in my life. So thank you so much.
We're here at the inaugural Journey to Rise workshop. I'm so excited because we're just about to guide a room full of people through a journey of self-love. This is going to be a transformative experience like never before. Everything that we teach is grounded in love. How we do that is we teach how to go inside your body and listen.
Every single muscle and every single cell or part of your body that you cannot feel or connect to is some aspect of your greatness that's not awakened. It's just how it works energetically. Like, we have to understand that there's more than physical. We have to. It's a responsibility to understand what's going on in our interactions that we don't see because we're so like caught in the illusion. It just eliminates all confusion.
Meditation is a fundamental tool for life. Ultimately, it helps us to still our minds so that we can tune in to what's going on within us.
So a lot of people are stretching, but it's a little bit more than just stretching. It's about just bringing balance around the joints.
Stillness is where we find our greatness. Mastering this stillness with movement translates as grace in our lives where we encounter challenges. It's not just about stretching our bodies, but about finding balance, grace, and ease in how we move through life. Our bodies, every single cell, is a physical manifestation of our subconscious mind. We cannot address what is going on in our hearts by going into our heads. We need to go into our hearts and understand what's going on in our hearts. We've become so estranged to feeling. We've made ourselves wrong for feeling.
Two main things. What would that materialize as that reflects some aspect of my vision, that fulfills on my desires, and reflects the depth of my intention? It's a journey. Anybody who's associated with me, who's on this journey, I become like family with them. It has to be that way. Everything is grounded in love, and then it's the expression of who we are in that environment.
Today was an extremely powerful day where I feel like a lot of hearts opened up and a lot of vulnerability was able to come out, and people were truly connecting with their authentic selves.
All the stories that have been shared, everything that has gone on has been beyond what I had expected.
Rosa has changed my life drastically. I'm thankful, I'm grateful, and looking forward to the rest.
And I honestly can say that I've had a life-changing experience and really see a need to be able to introduce this to other men.
A lot of heart-to-heart connections, and I was so proud to sit in those rooms and see Rosa just shine. But not only she was shining, she allowed other people to shine.
It truly is a testament to, what love coming together can do with a purpose and an intention, and what it could create. It's just literally a vortex. It was just so powerful. My name is Rosa Rago, and I am on the rise.